This video is step-by-step guide how to change battery for Chamberlain garage opener remote. Light does not come on if I press button. There could be two reasons. Either loosen battery or battery is dead. In my case, most probably it's battery because I have not used this remote for a long time. First step, take out metal part. Now there are two spots, one in the middle and second in the corner. Take a screwdriver. I will start from the middle spot. Take straight screwdriver and gently push in. It will apart. Now repeat the same thing on the second spot as well. You can see it is open. Now there are two tiny clips on this side. So with the hand of the force, gently take it out and remote will be separated. Before removing battery, make sure existing battery edges are well connected with metal. Sometimes if it's loose, it won't work even though if you put a new battery. In my case, I did not use this remote for a long time, so battery need to be replaced. This battery number is 2032, which is common in market. You can buy a pair of pack or you can buy a single battery. After putting the battery, make sure light is coming on. You can see light is working as expected. So now we'll put back each and everything. There's a tiny hole, LED will go in there first. Once it's set, then put the second cover and press gently with fingers. If you like the video, do not forget to subscribe my channel. Take care. See you soon with the next video. Goodbye.